Good evening, everybody, and welcome to this new program. Tonight we are going to be talking about the most relevant things are happening in our university campus. Let's start. There is a new relation with the Alliance for Environmental Sustainability, Quality and Education. A month ago, our institution formalized an agreement with the company INTERASEO for strengthening of the integral management of solid waste on campus. With this initiative, students, teachers, administrators, and general service personnel will be trained in the correct segregation and waste in the ecological points in order to achieve the use at waste. CECAR is committed to its environmental culture to reduce the carbon footprint and improve environmental sustainability. In this manner, wait more news later.